Namaskar friends, welcome to the yoga tutorials. My name is Gaurav Kumar and today's topic is Prasthana Traya. Prasthana means departure or to exit and Traya means three. This concept basically tells that there are three ways to go through. Three ways to go through, we can say, to study the Vedanta or to study the Vedantic concepts. So what are these three ways? These are based on Shruti, Smriti and Nyaya. What is this Shruti Prasthana? These are basically three prasthanas, three departures or three ways to go through, or this is basically represents the three source of authoritative knowledge. Fine. So Shruti is based on the heard, the knowledge which is being heard, and Smriti is the knowledge which is being remembered. And the Nyaya, the knowledge which is based on the logic and arguments. So, Shruti Prasthana. Under this Shruti Prasthana, all the Upanishads comes. Upanishads basically comes under the Jnana Kanda of the Vedas. Jnana Kanda of Vedas. Basically, Vedas are divided into two parts, Jnana Kanda and the Karma Kanda. The Karma Kanda is different principle, and the principles based on the knowledge which comes under the Upanishads. So that is basically called Jnana Kanda of the Vedas. Those are Upanishads. So here are basically 11 principal Upanishads. Comes under Shruti Prasthana. Now we'll come to the second part, that is Smriti Prasthana. Smriti means remembered. So what is the scripture comes under this? That is Bhagavad Gita. So this Bhagavad Gita comes in the Mahabharata and consists of 700 verses in 18 chapters. So here in Bhagavad Gita, Shri Krishna tells the gist of the Vedas and Upanishads in Bhagavad Gita in these 700 verses in 18 chapters. So basically the whole Bhagavad Gita is based on Karma Yoga, Jnana Yoga and Bhakti Yoga. So this is the Bhagavad Gita comes under Smriti Prasthana. Now we'll come to the Nyaya Prasthana, the knowledge which is based on the logic and argument. So what is the scripture comes under this? That is Brahma Sutras. So all these Brahma Sutras consist of 555 verses which are again divided into 4 chapters. And the Brahma Sutras are written by Ved Vyasa, or we can say Badrayana. So this is the concept of the Prasthana Traya, the three authoritative text of Hinduism. So we can say there is no Vedantic concept can considered complete without the examination of these Prasthana Traya. Hope you have liked this video and you have understood the concept. If you really like this video and you have any query, you can comment below in this video. Thank you.